श्रोता बंधु वर्तमान आरंभ करने को जाऊँ आमर शिक्षाभित्तिक कार्यक्रम शिक्षा दर्पण। आज विषय वस्तु हूँ अष्टम नवम और दशम श्रेणी पिला सकाशे इंग्राजी एसे रेनी सीजन। तेबे आसंतु शुणिबा इंग्राजी एसे रेनी सीजन। इंट्रोडक्शन। द ट्रॉपिकल and subtropical parts of India consist of 4 seasons, namely summer, rainy, winter and spring. Rainy season is one of these main seasons of India. Duration and weather conditions. Rainy season falls every year after summer, especially from the month of July to September. In this season, black clouds covered in the sky. The sky looks overcast. It rains heavily, followed by thundering and lightning. Seeing the black clouds, the peacock danced. Advantages and disadvantages. Rainy season liked by everyone as it gives too much relief from the hot heat of sun. It helps plants, trees, grasses, crops, vegetables, etc. to grow properly. It is a favorable season for the animals too, as it gives lots of green grasses and small plants for them to grow. At this time, the farmers start farming. They cultivate paddy during this season. Each natural resource like river, pond and lakes become full of rainwater. There is a risk of flood due to overflowing water in the river and ponds. Septic water in the drains increase the number of mosquitoes. Therefore, people get infected with malaria, dengue, cholera, etc. At this time, the road becomes muddy. We feel unclean while walking on the streets. Festivals. We Indians celebrate many festivals throughout the year, such as Rath Yatra, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Ganesh Puja and other festivals, also with great joy and happiness. The fun of celebrating these festivals on the rainy day really indescribable. Fruits and flowers. Fruits like blackberry, pomegranate, guava, pineapple, etc. are available plentifully during this season. Flowers like lily, jasmine, marigold, hibiscus, etc. start blooming. Beauty of nature. We get a big opportunity to see a beautiful rainbow in the sky. Everywhere in the earth looks green in this season. The beauty of nature captivates everyone. Conclusion. After all, the rainy season is mostly liked by everyone. A poet in Odia praised this season by saying, "Rainy season is good for everyone. Rain provides water and sustains the earth. Water is life and rain is the valuable gift of God." आपण माने शुणुथिले शिक्षा भित्तिक कार्यक्रम शिक्षा दर्पण। आज विषय वस्तु थिला इंग्लिश एसे रेनी सीजन। मु उपस्थापना करुतली जितेंद्र कुमार पंडा। रेडियो गार्डन 90.4 गुलदस्ता।
रेडियो गार्डन 90.4 गुलदस्ता किछि मिठा महकर।